flying down the road at 30 miles an hour on something that looks like a normal push bike. Wind in your dreads, throttle pinned, bro. Feeling unstoppable, see a kind of thing, you know? Then you hear it. Sirens, bro? Is the speed actually worth it? Today, we find out.
Awake. Bye, Renault Capture. I hate these bumps, man. Oh, shit. You know what just happened, broski? Our battery just fell out the bike. Oh, that did not just happen. Our battery, bro, just fell out the bike. How'd that happen? Did you see that, bro? Well, yeah, it just happened. The battery fell out the bike. Didn't disconnect. I have to get myself off the road. The battery fell out the bike, broski. Oh my god. Hope I connected that back okay. Anyway, my ghetto bike, bro, it's back on, you know. It's back on. Let's hopefully the battery doesn't blow up. Oh, let's catch up to my man, Just Eat guy. I'll stop here. And we're gonna secure these batteries a bit better. The bike. How are you finding the bike? Comfortable. And look at how much you blend in. You just look like one of them boring couples, you know, that just like cycles everywhere. It's like, get a car. Oh my god, we had traffic today, bro. Like absolutely traffic. How the hell? On our vintage bike. I love these DIY e-bike conversions. Absolutely epic. Thank you. I had to get off the road to let this guy go past, because obviously my thing's way too slow. Epic. 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 Taking the cars with cars behind me. I think what I'm gonna do is just go on the pavement, straight through. Dangerous things. You gotta stay on the left, being in England, obviously. But you gotta avoid these metal grids, bro. I swear to you, I promise you, please, don't even risk it. Don't even go on a metal grid, bro. You're going down, especially after rain. Woo! I just nearly hit one right there. For that reason, because there's no pedestrians or nothing, I'm going on the pavement, bro, where there's no metal grids except this little one. It's only when it's wet, bro. When it's dry, it's different, alright? There's just a little safety warning for you bike riders out there. Especially if you're on a hub motor electric bike, it will spin once you hit that metal surface, bro. As soon as you will spin, it's like you're on ice. You're going down, son. You're going down. My thing is way too slow, bro. I feel way safe over here. Anytime there's no pedestrians, I'm just going over here, bro. And you just gotta ride with confidence. That's the danger of being on the actual pavement as well. Cars can just pull up to you on junctions like that, and yeah, things get sketchy real fast. We're here straight between the two metal pipes. We are outside down here. Oh my days, this thing can fly when it wants to. But obviously there's CCTV everywhere, so you gotta calm it down, bro. Otherwise you're just drawing attention to yourself. The main road, because now we got a big intersection coming up called the roundabout in England. So here, the way you approach these is you give way to everything on your right over there, and when everything's gone on your right, that's when you take over, bro. And my god, it's scary. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is bloody scary. I'm actually using English terms now when I'm under stress. Bloody scary. Since when do I talk like that? Bloody? Why is it bloody, bro? Is bloody even a swear word? I think I need to stop saying that before YouTube's like, hey, you, what the hell? She left me, bro. I got a very slow top speed and I'm going up a hill. So in fact, to be safer, going on the pavement. On your bike. A bit faster, like pushing the bike along, you know. Now I'm actually pushing on my foot. Come. Anyway, we're taking the right lane. So yeah, that's how we do. We're in traffic, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Any vehicle, we stop pedaling. Because I could be undercover, broski. We're rolling on the weird 19-inch wheels, bro. They're hard to get tires for this silly bike. On 19-inch wheels. Not 20s, not 18s, 19s. Man, this feels way too slow to be on the road. You know? Approaching a roundabout giveaway lines. You gotta give way to your left and right. And if you're good, you carry on. Anyway, we outside, wet roads, so we gotta avoid every metal grid. because metal versus rubber equals slippery. So yeah, let's not fall off the bike today. Anyway, let's get it. I am on the throttle only at the moment. So doing legal speed for one of these. It is built before 2016, so you can actually legally ride one of these throttle only on the roads absolutely legally. After 2016, you must have a pedal assist, you must be pedaling and whatnot. Let's obey the traffic laws. It is red. Should I wait behind or filter my way in front of these vehicles? What would you do? Or should I just get off the bike and just walk? Nah, it's green now, so I guess we're gonna get in gear. For me, which is just start pedaling, looking over my shoulder on my right, making sure I can see all the cars behind me. And yeah, I'ma keep it moving. Let's keep it rolling. Yeah, it's sort of vintage now for an electric bike anyway. That's vintage. 2016 electric bike. Yeah, that's quite vintage. Feel safer being maybe over here. Oh my lord, it's so windy at like this pace, 15.5 miles an hour. So windy. Oh shit. Yeah, I go on the side. Shoot. I need suspension, bro. Need suspension. One, just keep pedaling. Hey. 10 right here. So, right lane. And look at that, it's green for me. Slow it down. Take it easy. I'm ghost. And I'm gone. It's clear right now. My bike cannot do a safe speed for on the road. So, we're actually gonna ride over here on the side. Just doing illegal speed. Cars are just going around her. Responsible drivers. It is a Friday as well, so we might have some drunk drivers out here. We don't know how this is gonna end tonight, so hopefully we stay alive. I'm gonna have to join it right now because it's getting a bit tight with the cars. So there's a van behind us. Woo! That's it. Yeah, let's roll. I might even help my bike along. Hey, I'm using my legs again just to give it some thrust, bro. Oh, just to try and get to a safe speed, because I feel like 15 miles an hour on the roads is totally not safe at all. I think e-bikes should be allowed to have 30 mile an hour top speed. That would make it a bit safer if you can keep up with traffic. This right here is no good. It's concrete jungle. You gotta be careful on these pavements when you're like on an e-bike and stuff, man. If a little dog, little Fido comes out here, boom, you're in the newspaper, bro. Oh man. 151.9, that's for unleaded. 176.9, that is the price of diesel today. Maybe we should cross here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Whew. Is this a cycle lane? Yeah, we love cycle lanes. In wet conditions, obviously, there's risks that we have to obviously avoid. Like this metal grid right here. You cannot brake or turn on that. You will go down, bro. Biffa, local, reliable, easy to deal with, great value, and stanky. This is way better than public transport. Like, F that, bro. F sitting in that thing. Like, all the seats will be wet right now because everyone's coming in raincoats and thing. You know? Then some people bring their dogs on this, so you got the wet dog smell and thing. So you're getting up to work and you're smelling like wet dog. And your uncle's last Friday's French toast and thing, bro. Reflection check. Bro, this is what we're looking like today, cuz. But we still outside, bro. This e-bike right here, this little tink e-bike rusty thing is a legend. Deserves a makeover, bro. That's what we're gonna do. Give this little I don't know what to call it, a nice little makeover, get the airbrush out or whatever. And yeah, because right now we're acting like pedestrians. Like, I I like that. Nice friendly riders in the area. He was like, hello fellow biker. That's how much we blend in. We don't look like we're on a bad dirt bike Surron thing, just a regular bicycle. Maybe we should go, should we? Should we stop being the boring couple that like, yeah, that bakes cookies on a Sunday? We outside, city center thing. This is where you're supposed to really slow it down. Don't go in the middle. Don't go in the, oh no, I'm too kitty for that, bro.
Right then, after riding both, here's the verdict. The 1500 watt bike is absolutely ridiculous. 30 miles an hour on something that still looks like a bicycle feels so illegal because, well, there's a chance that it is. The thing launches, it pulls, it makes every school run feel like Fast and Furious Croydon drift. The problem? The paranoia. Nobody talks about that part. Every white van looks suspicious, bro. Every parked car looks like an undercover unit. Every time someone pulls out a phone, you're wondering whether they're filming a TikTok or sending evidence to Crime Watch. You spend half the ride enjoying the speed and the other half rehearsing your defense speech.
Officer, it's actually my mate's bike.
The 250 watt bike was the complete opposite. At first, it felt slow. Painfully slow, like your Wi-Fi after the neighbors get home. But after a while, something weird happened. I stopped thinking about the bike. No stress, no shoulder checks every 5 seconds, no escape route calculations, just riding. And honestly, that's probably why the law ended up where it did. A legal UK e-bike is treated like a normal bicycle. If it meets 250 watts and 15.5 miles an hour rules, no license, no tax, no registration, no insurance needed, my guy. So, is the speed worth it? If you live for adrenaline and don't mind a little risk, the 1500 watt will have you grinning like a lunatic, bro. If you actually want stress-free riding, keeping your bike and getting home without starring in a local Facebook group post, shout out the Karens out here, 250 watts makes a lot more sense. Comment below, what would you choose? 1500 watts or 250 watts? And be honest, don't pretend you'd pick the legal one just because the comments are public. Like, subscribe and all of that, yeah. And remember, the fastest thing on an e-bike isn't the motor. It's how fast you start pedaling when you spot the pow-pow.